Good morning. I'm Gene Hodges, and this message is for you. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes to listen to this special message. Either I or the person who asked you to listen to this thinks a lot of you, and that means a lot to me. So let me tell you a little bit about this business that we're a part of and that we'd like you to learn more about. In my experience as an entrepreneur, I've learned how to evaluate opportunities. The best way I know is to take a look at 5 key elements if you're evaluating an opportunity. The first element that you want to evaluate is the product that the company provides, and you want to ask some very specific questions. Does the product have a need? Is there a need for the product in the marketplace? With our products, the answer is absolutely there's a need. Does the product fit the need? Does it create a solution for people? Is it priced to sell? Is it competitively priced in the marketplace compared to the benefits that it brings? And is it priced to profit? Is there enough money so people get a fair price, but still the people involved in distribution make money? And when I took a look at the products and what they are, muscle and joint relief, hair growth, pet products, sleep support, immune boosting, mental health and mood, weight loss, and they use our proprietary 10x Pure technology and our newest Xantho Mist that has taken mangosteen benefits to new limits. I think you'll agree that there's a need. Our products fit the need. They're priced to sell and priced to profit. Our scientific team has spent countless hours to increase the outcome of everything we sell, so you can check off the product box. The second element that I took a look at was the company. It doesn't matter how good the product is if the company isn't solid. I checked on the stability. I checked on the management team. I checked on their cash flow and their ability to grow in markets. I checked on their track record to see how good they are at what they've been doing and how long they've been doing it. Most companies of any kind don't make it through their first year in business. Out of the ones that do, the majority of those don't make it through the second year. Our company has made it over 8 years, and they're just getting warmed up. When I balanced all the measurements of long-term track record and early opportunity, I found a perfect blend. I saw people who really cared and people who could deliver on what they say they're going to do, and people who create a support system to be able to help me, and ultimately, if you decide to take a stronger look, help you grow your business. So now you can check off company. The third thing I take a look at is the compensation plan. All this other stuff is great, but if I'm not getting compensated for my time, then I'm not going to be able to take a look at this as an opportunity. So what I saw when I took a look at our compensation plan is I could get involved for a very, very low cost. In fact, the only cost is ordering the product of my choice. And that my function inside the business was, number 1, to sell the products to customers. Number 2, to build a team of other people that are doing the same thing, building a network and creating leverage. And number 3, my leadership to increase the productivity of that team. With their compensation plan, I found a way. I'm confident that when you do your homework on this, you'll realize that it's a way to create significant part-time income with a very flexible schedule to grow that into serious part-time income, or maybe even full-time income. And for those of you like me that really want to hit this hard and take advantage of this opportunity in a big way, there's room to get wealthy. So you can check mark the compensation plan. I encourage you to get back to the person who asked you to watch this, even if that person was me, and get your questions answered on the compensation structure. I'm confident that you're going to be impressed. The next key element is support. What kind of support would be available if I got involved? Now let me tell you about what the company does with events. We now have a monthly Super Saturday event set up as a Zoom call. It's easy to get tuned in, and they usually have giveaways. Also, they're finally getting back to person-to-person events. I do my best to let everyone know about these, and my team leadership does an amazing job at this with emails. When you join as an associate, you get your own back office and a slew of web pages that are branded with your name and username. This enables you to get credit that easy. Our upline gives awesome support as well as the company support during normal working hours. They answer the phone promptly and will respond to the help menu with an email in just minutes. So there is unbelievable support, especially considering the amount of investment you're starting your own business. The training is also great and available at no cost. I can give you a rundown on the training as well as alternatives that might fit your needs better. Checkmark support. The fifth element that I look at is timing. Is this the right time? In my opinion, this is the perfect blend between stability of company and still an incredible upside. Like in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. Most often in business, it's about timing, timing, and timing. And I think the timing is unbelievable. So take a look at these 5 elements for yourself. Product, company, compensation, support, timing. The products are spectacular. The company is credible and stable. The compensation plan is exciting and the best in the industry. The support and training are unparalleled, and they even have get started guides. And the timing is perfect. I don't know if this opened your eyes to something particularly different, but here's what I'd suggest you do. Try our products. Find out more about our company. Find out more about our compensation plan and the special promotion. And if you're available, I would love to talk to you personally. Either I or the person who asked you to watch this can get me on the phone, and we can get more of your questions answered. So I hope this little brief overview gave you a better understanding of what it is that we do and where we're headed. If I get a chance to work with you in the future, I would really enjoy doing that. If that sounds good to you, give me a comment or find my email and phone number. I also use WhatsApp if you're outside the U.S. Let's get you started, okay? Have a great day and talk to you soon. By the way, my contact info is available when you give your name and email address at gopro.uno. That's www.gopro.uno.